Okay, so all work, no play. It's no fun. So I got my hose holder here. This is a little club I used to smack the heck out of fish, but it was a little too tight, so I splayed it out here by heating up the backside and widening that a little bit, then cooled it off with some water. Now that snaps in there really easy. And I GPSed my battery because it was not marked very clearly for positive. So I just took some GPS stickers, positive, negative. My kit got the barcode. I can know what to reorder. All the different colors and tapes and stickers. GPS tape, scissors, long nose marker, and a Sharpie and a Sharpie holster. All set to go have some fun.